Hello, I'm here again. Well, I installed this pickup, okay, the Shadow SH099 in my Alvarez guitar, but the sound was still awful, something like really horrible. Well, I have to remove everything. I unwelded the connector from here, and I put directly, okay, I connected directly the piezo pickup to this connector. Now it has no preamplifier. Preamplifier is here. Well, I don't know where the problem could be, but I guess it's maybe here, because when touching these knobs, I was able to see an improvement. But in any case, I remove everything: the battery, the preamp, these knobs as well, and now it's connected directly, the piezo to the connector. This is the old one. Maybe the old one would have worked in the same level, but in any case, now I build this Shadow, and sound is good, really good. I like it. Nothing to do with the old sound of this guitar. It's a pity, but yeah. The guitar is good, sound is good, but this system, this preamplifier, I think is really good for nothing. Okay, thank you.